How to create a group on GroupMe. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an downloaded and updated version of this application on your device. After that, just open up the application called GroupMe. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, in order to create a group, what you have to do is just tap on this icon which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and three options will pop off: group, announcement group, and direct message. You can just tap on group and you just have to mention your group name. For example, I'm going to mention X. You can add a description as well, but it is optional. So tap on save, and then here you can add your members to add on a group. So you can share this group via different options as well. As you tap on share, you'll be able to share this group link to different people via different social media as well, from Instagram, from WhatsApp, Facebook, Reddit, and so on. You can also have contacts and just get their name or email address or phone number and add them to this group. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.